Hello friend, today I make Arduino interface with motor. L293D Motor Driver Module. BO motor. Connect 2 wire from there. Arduino UNO. It's a controller. Jumper wire, male to male and male to female. Arduino cable to connect the laptop. Now connect the circuit. L293D Motor Driver Module, 5V ground, motor connector and input 1 pin and input second pin. Now connect 5V to 5V. GND to GND. IN 1 pin connect to 13 of Arduino. IN second pin connect to 12 of Arduino. IN mean input pin. Now connect motor. Connect wheel also. Now circuit will completed. Connect the Arduino cable to upload the code. After uploading the code, you can see the output. Please like, share and subscribe also. Thank you friend.